In today's fast-paced world, mastering Magento development and programming is a really difficult task. Students struggle through tons of course materials, oftentimes failing to grasp complex concepts, while also feeling overwhelmed by the vast array of stuff that you need to learn. Personalized support is often out of reach because of cost and isn't typically included within self-paced courses. But what if we can harness the recent advancements in AI to take you from struggling to thriving so you can really explore Magento at a much deeper level? Can generative AI models and algorithms be harnessed to take this really complex framework and all of its related concepts and rehash them in a way that can actually make them easy to understand? Is it possible to generate on-demand code, including real-life examples and quizzes, coupled with explanations that can go above and beyond your typical course lessons? These what-ifs, cans, and is-its just turn into a reality with a highly intelligent Magento bot. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Maggie Bolt. After many months of planning, development, and internal testing, Maggie is a new kind of Magento coach. Trained to be an expert Magento tutor, Maggie brings one-on-one personalized tutoring directly to you. Being fully integrated into all premium courses at M.academy, Maggie takes learning Magento 2 to an entirely new level. After watching or reading any of the great lesson content at M.academy, the Chat with Maggie button brings her to life. While Maggie is built on top of the super powerful GPT-4 API from OpenAI, she is enhanced and knowledgeable about all of the lesson content at M.academy, which takes learning these concepts to completely new heights. Maggie brings lessons to life for a truly interactive experience. She'll start conversations by asking you a question to test your knowledge of the lesson that you are currently learning. And amazingly, you can answer her by simply using freeform text and she'll understand it all. If you have trouble answering one of her questions, don't worry. M.academy's mission is to be the simplest way to learn Magento, and Maggie understands this. Though she's the omniscient and all-knowing Magento tutor and trainer, and also knows all about these complex and sophisticated topics, she's also extremely skilled at breaking these complex topics down to even simpler and easier to understand concepts. This means that you can understand these concepts even if English isn't your first language. No more drawing blanks, wasting time on extensive web searches, reading outdated or incorrect blog articles, or getting stuck someplace with no one to ask and nowhere to go for an immediate answer. Maggie doesn't sleep, so she's available 24/7 all throughout the world. Anytime you are ready to learn. Inspiration sparks at odd times, so whenever you are ready, Maggie Bolt will be waiting for you. She's always around to assist with your learning sessions at any time or place that is convenient for you. And speaking of English as a second language, since the Magento ecosystem and my audience is so spread out all across the entire world, and generative AI is at our fingertips, why not just make Maggie multilingual? So Maggie is also programmed to understand, comprehend, and even fluently chat with you in over 60 languages. This technology is absolutely unprecedented, regardless of whatever course platform that you are using. And Maggie, being the highly intelligent being that she is, knows the difference between code and spoken word. So all of these programming and coding references to Magento are still kept within the context of your chat, regardless of if you are speaking Ukrainian, Spanish, or Mandarin. I'm so incredibly excited to see how Maggie will help thousands of students learn Magento. So you're probably asking, when is Maggie going to become available? Well, I have some great news. You don't have to drop your email into some waiting list, tap your fingers on a desk, wait many weeks or months for access, or any of those shenanigans. If you are enrolled in a premium Magento course at M.academy or belong to the university, Maggie is immediately available to you. And if you enroll in any of these offerings today, you'll also get immediate access to Maggie. Just click the Chat with Maggie button on any of the premium courses in the platform and start taking learning Magento to new heights. And if you are a university student and are stuck with a super complex problem that even goes above and beyond Maggie's capabilities, you'll continue to have access to Campus, a premium Magento community where you can ask myself or two our non-AI powered Magento guru to help answer your questions. Maggie, the AI powered expert Magento tutor, is truly a game changer when it comes time to learning Magento and isn't available anywhere outside of M.academy. So don't get left behind. Use the best AI tech today to unlock your full potential as a Magento developer by learning and building with Maggie today. Visit MaggieBolt.com today to get a full summary of how Maggie can help you learn. And remember that this is just the beginning. I expect Maggie to become even more powerful and enhanced as time goes by. And I'm very much invested in how AI can help us learn in the future. And as always, keep coding.